Hello my beautiful crafty friends, I am Katia with Lunar Sun Creations. Today I have an album share for you, but it is not a regular album and it's not a new album. In fact, it is one of the very first albums that I ever made. It's from 2010 or 2011 when I first started my album making journey, before I knew about Tyvek, before I really knew what the heck I was doing, but I had just gotten into it and I was super excited about it. And so I made a few albums with a couple friends. We made them together, and this album is very special and it needed a massive repair job. It was starting to fall apart because I didn't know what I was doing, so it was falling apart. And so it needed a repair job, so that's what I did today so that it can continue to be used. That squeaky noise is my door and Zuri coming in. Well, if you're going to come in, you got to be on camera. Oh, okay, there we go. So, yeah, so this is a repair video and showing you a video of an album that I made way back in the day, and it's a very special album. So let me just show you what I mean. Okay, so here is the album. I mean, it's not doing too badly, but it is, you can see kind of from the top that it's a little bit beat up. The spine especially is kind of coming apart a little bit. On the inside, you can start to see it a little bit more like that. I used duct tape and I didn't know about Tyvek back in the day, so I used duct tape. But here's what Tessa said on the front page. To all the mamas. When I made this birthing axe, I was pregnant with my daughter. I wanted to create a birth talisman to bring myself and my sister's strength. This axe is a symbol invoked by midwives to cut the pain. To me, the axe grew to symbolize the battle we fight to bring our babies into the world. Please add your name and any pictures or mementos to this scrapbook as it travels. Love, Tessa. So I thought that was pretty awesome. So both the birthing axe necklace and this book travel all over the place. This is a list of all the different people who have had this book and the axe, and so I mean it's been all over the place, all the way from 2010 I think was the beginning, and it's gone all the way to now, which is pretty awesome. So it started getting quite full and people started adding more pages to it. So I'd like to integrate those into the book a little more. Right now they're just kind of taped in there. And then these are some extra photos that haven't really gotten put into the book yet. So those need to go in. So yeah, so it's just a bit of a kind of a repair job, but also trying to just bring it to a stage of where it will last another 10 years at least. I'm a little bit nervous, honestly, because, I mean, this is a really important book, and I want to make sure that I don't lose anything that is already written on here, so it's going to be some serious surgery happening, but I'm sure I can do it. Okay, alright, I'll show you the finished product in just a little bit. Okay, so I have finished performing surgery on the album. I redid the entire cover. I redid the whole binding system. I widened the spine, so it's 3/4 inches bigger. I put on this embellishment with a butterfly in there. I tried to keep as authentic as possible. The front and back covers were a little bit smaller, so I've double backed them now. And then redid the ribbon. And then I've added a page in there as well and redid some of the bits and pieces. The last thing I want to do is just add some paper in between the pages. I put a ribbon on here to keep this one closed. It didn't have a magnet. So done a few things, but tried to keep it as original as possible. I'm just happy that it is going to be able to go for many more years now that it is really secure. It is such an honor to have something that I've created be such an important part in so many people's lives, like even people that I don't know, which is really amazing. I feel quite honored by that. And it's awesome to know that when people are getting this book, they get strength from it, because it's got so many other women's energy in it. Between this and the birthing axe. I don't know if you can see the birthing axe. It's there. It's right there. belly high fives. But yeah, between the album and the birthing axe, so much incredible energy that has gone into these two things, and it just gives women who receive it so much strength, and they know that there's so many other women supporting them through this. I think this is really, really amazing. This is Tessa. That's my best friend with her first baby. And then I added a whole new page so that there's space for extra babies to come, more babies to come, because I hope this album will continue to get a lot of use and continue to be an important part of so many people's lives. Oh, and this whole thing comes out. That's what it was. I knew there was one other thing. And it slips back in there. And then this was that other part that was had been duct taped in, so I just made it into its own little section here. I'm just so happy that it's still kicking and still making its rounds, and now it's much stronger and will definitely last the test of time. Now it is really secure. I made sure that everything was Tyvek'd and glued properly, and so this album is going to last the test of time now for sure. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. So mini albums aren't just for your own personal photos. They can be part of a very, very, very important part of people's lives. Yay! Oh, I'm getting all choked up. Tessa just had her second baby a few months ago, so that was part of why I wanted to get this all fixed up, so that she could put pictures of her new baby Trinity in there, and there's a few others that are pregnant right now. So this book needs to keep making its rounds. Okay, I love you all. I hope you're well. I will see you again very soon. Bye.